McDonald's is a last name. Abercrombie and Fitch is a last name. Armani is a last name. Baskin Robbins, Chrysler, Fisher Price, Gucci, Hennessy, Harley Davidson, last name. Hilton is a last name. Honda, Kohl's, Kraft Foods, Lowe's Movie Theater, Marriott is a last name. Maybach is a last name. Nordstrom is a last name. Pillsbury, Porsche, Procter & Gamble, Rolls Royce, Charles Rose, Henry Royce. Versace is a last name. Wells Fargo, that's Henry Wells, William Fargo. Walgreens is a last name. Wrigley's is a last name. We think we're buying a product, but you didn't buy a product, you bought a name. And how foolish do we look when we give to one family and give to another family while our family's broke. So you done went to Wells Fargo, which is one family, and brought all this money so you can go to Harley Davidson, which is another family. And meanwhile, Wells Fargo's family sitting at the house good and rich, and Harley Davidson sitting there good and rich, and you are at the Joneses' house sitting there, yo, look at my ride. We broke. Because you borrowed from one family, gave to another family, so you can show your